Hi, I'm Sasha.
Miwa です。
Who doesn't like a meal that has all the things you love together, cooked up and fried? Well, I think that's what we're making today. Let's confirm. Miwa, what are we doing today?
はい、今日はお好み焼きです。お好み焼き。まあ確かにお好み焼きっていうね言葉の意味もそうだけど、好きなもの何でも入れて焼けば OK っていう。で今日は一番シンプルな豚玉というやつかな。キャベツと豚肉が入ります。はい。じゃあまず生地を作りますね。ラップして冷蔵庫で寝かせておきましょう。じゃあ焼きますよ。おお
Hurry, 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 hurry!
よしよし。はい、油ね。大体何センチぐらい？17、18ぐらいかな。
There's beef, pork. I'm looking forward to that. You can do it. Look at that.
繰り返したら蓋をして、だなって言って、すごい油が出てきたね。それ。ういー。
Oh my god, it's perfect.
この焦げ目いいね。やってみて。怖い。
Okay, add the egg.
そう。はい。
I failed.
卵もう一個持ってこようか。
No, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine.
やばい。ここでこうなると。ちょっと持ってこようかもう一個。
No,
なんでそれは嫌。
it's fine, it's fine. It's fine. Okay. Okay.
で、押さない。押さない。
It's good, it's good.
はい。あ、でもいい感じになんか焼けると最後の茹でしっかり。いける？
I think so. Ready?
せーの。
Oh, thank God.
押
Good.
さない。
Oh, yeah, yeah. Why? Really? I always do that.
押したら。
Should I put the things in?
まだまだ大丈夫よ。
Not
いけま
bad.
した。
And then like that?
そう。
That's looking kind of cool. Whatever. I just want to eat it. I don't care what it looks like.
できた。
That looks okay.
うん。
That's kind of cool.
い OK?
Yeah.
はい、じゃあ
Okay.
いただきます。
Itadakimasu. And you can't ever make this wrong because it's all the things you like mixed up. So you always love it, no matter what.
おいしい。でもこれ押さえない方がいいのよ、やっぱりグッて。押さえると硬くなっちゃうから。
Yeah, don't do that. Oh, it's so good. With the crispy meat at the bottom or top, wherever it is.
冷めても美味しい。
Really?
あ、美味しい。まあ好きなもの入れてみんなね作ってみるといいと思いますよ。またではまたね。
Bye.
バイバイ。
Enjoy. You can't fuck it up. It's everything you like.
Subscribe to our channel if you want to learn how to make even more delicious Japanese dishes.
Click the bell so you won't miss out on Miwa's latest recipe. And don't forget to follow us on Instagram at deliciousfoods81, where you can catch my home attempts at these recipes. Be sure to tag us in yours. Stay tuned for more tastes from Japan!